Alright, it's almost Halloween, which means time for some cool Halloween cocktail recipe. Let's get right to it. First one, classic flavors. When I was a kid, used to get a lot of these in your trick-or-treat bag. Tootsie Roll. So let's make a drink called the Tootsie Roll. This is an easy combo. We're going to need a little bit of Orange Liqueur and some Coffee Liqueur. It's going to sound weird. Coffee Liqueur, really? Yeah, that's what we're going to use. Bring those two together, and apparently this makes a taste of a Tootsie Roll, so let's give it a shot. So this recipe calls for 1 ounce of Coffee Liqueur and just a little touch of orange, so let's give it a shot. 1 ounce here. Here. Let's put it in a nice easy glass. 1 ounce there, and then just a touch of orange. Now I've heard it's also done with OJ, just straight out, but I generally don't like to mix my alcohols with, non-alcohol if I can help it. All right, we're gonna give it a quick stir. Okay, let's give it a shot. It's all right. To be honest, there it doesn't quite taste like what I would expect. A little bit more orange to it, but we'll get the flavor we need. Try it again. Give it a nice stir. And cheers. That's what it was. It's funny. Just a little bit more of the orange, and it does. It literally tastes like a Tootsie Roll. I can't believe that. It does. It tastes like a Tootsie Roll. Just like an alcoholic Tootsie Roll. Funny. All right. Number two. All right. Number 2. We're gonna make here is it's called a Bloody Ghost. Yeah, it's basically looks like a White Russian, but a little bit modified to make it a little more ghostly. This one, once again, we're going to need our Coffee Liqueur. Let's see here. Ooh. So the other thing is, and I keep a lot of this on hand, is Irish Creme. So a little bit of Irish Creme in this one as well. Vodka, good old vodka. Where's my vodka? I should have vodka somewhere around here. Vodka. Oh, there we are. Good old vodka. Do some nice Breckenridge for this one here. Good stuff, huh? All right. Milk. What drink doesn't have milk in it? Like any drink. I can't think of a drink that has milk in it. There's my kiddo right there. Hi, kiddo. And the last ingredient is some grenadine. I use grenadine there, and obviously that's our blood. All right, so let's mix this one up. All right, 1/2 ounce of Irish Creme, and then 1/2 ounce of Coffee Liqueur, 1/2 ounce vodka. 2 ounces, 1/2 and 1/2, or milk, excuse me, 1/2 and 1/2. You can use 1/2 and 1/2 as well. Either way. There we go. Obviously, that's where it's going to get the milk. That's going to be where the color comes from, the ghostly color. All right, and that's all we got to do as far as our mixing goes. Well, I'm going to shake this up. A couple quick shakes, and we're good. The best kind of glass for this here is going to be something big and visible. And so we're going to use a large martini glass. The grenadine, we're going to make the blood. And I don't know, like I'm thinking kind of a couple streaks maybe like that. And then we're gonna add the rest after we pour the drink in. Just try it. Let's just put it straight in here. Whew. You know, Halloween, right? Can't make anything right on Halloween. There we go. And then I'm gonna add, just to make it a little more ghostly appearance here, a little bit more milk in there. There we go. And then there's your blood on the side and in the drink itself. So, bloody ghost, hard to tell here, but it looks all right. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Tastes like milky, to be honest there. It tastes like you have a little bit of spiked milk. So, probably good on the side though. Honestly, like, I'd probably drink this with like a really big haul of candy. All right, I'm gonna put that one aside as well. Our last drink, this one's I'm really excited for because I love myself tequila. I love margaritas and Halloween. Combine them together and you get something called a witch's margarita. This is going to be so cool. All right, so let's pull out the ingredients for this one. All right, sweetened lime juice is probably going to be the big thing on this one here to get that margarita flavor. Then we need tequila. Tequila, my favorite is tequila. So, big bottle of tequila we're going to bring in here as well. This is going to make some great margaritas. Love this stuff. Wine? Okay, this is going to be weird. Let's, sweet wine. What do I got down here? Leftover red Moscato. I don't drink this, but maybe it would get good in this. Let's find out. How we make this, how we're going to make this. Usually it's a shaken drink, so let's shake it. And then we'll probably float the wine on the top of the drink. So, boy, this should be interesting. Let's give that a shot. Like before, we'll start with crushed ice. Got just a good chunk of crushed ice inside here. And we're going to start adding our ingredients. 1 ounce of lime juice. Now, if you don't have sweetened lime juice, which you can get from the grocery store, best way to do it, if you can't find it, you can use normal lime juice or a freshly squeezed lime. Just make sure you add some simple syrup to it, which is just sugar that's been boiled together with water. This is easy to find though, so you should be able to get something like this. All right, so 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce. 1.5 ounces of tequila. Ooh, yum. I love this tequila. One of my favorites. There's one. And there's a half. And then wine on top of that. This is a really simple drink. All right, well, let's shake this up and we'll put the wine on top. Much like before, we're going to use a really tall glass for this here. Okay. There's our typical tequila. Now, let's float some wine on top and see if we can make this. For those who know the technique of floating wine or floating any alcohol is you want to use a spoon right above your drink, pour right against the spoon, and it should help to dissipate and make it float. Oh, look at there. Looks really nice, so let's give it a shot and see what it tastes like. Wow, I'm surprised that tastes really good. Wow, that tastes amazingly good. I think that's probably the best one. if I had to rank him here, that would be like number 1 for sure. That was really, really good. Hey, honey, come taste this. See how, check it out though. See how it is? Like you're floating it's floating the wine on top there. That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, give it a try.
Ooh, that's good.
Isn't that good? So basic too, but look at it. It looks really, really pretty fun, and it's like a fun drink. Yeah?
Ah, that's good.
All right, got the thumbs up from the wife, so I think we're good. All right, so there you are. 3 different drinks for Halloween that you can make. Some better than the others, but got all 3 of these here. Tell me below in the comments section which one you think would be the best. And if you've tried making these, I would love to hear from you. I will tell you my favorite, though, by far, honestly, it's the Tootsie Roll. If you like this video, or if you want to learn more about making drinks here at home, please subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you next time.